Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY in front of us. And as we all know that DXY is flying, DXY looks unstoppable. Though right now standing at the resistance here, but if you analyze the chart here, then you can see that DXY is extremely bullish. We also know that fundamentally also everything is pointing towards an upside reaction on the chart of DXY. The last traded price is 105.12. Though we have a resistance around 105.70, 105.80, but if we analyze or if we observe the chart of DXY carefully, then we can see that it resembles an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Or if we try to understand the logic behind it, okay, it means that though we have sellers, listen to me carefully, though we have sellers present around this level, but whenever market is coming down, it is more or less not breaking the previous lows in the market. Market is forming new lows, okay, higher lows, yes, higher lows, okay, which signifies that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. Okay, new buyers are joining in, and in this kind of scenario, usually we see market breaking the resistance and going up. So there is a high possibility that the upside on DXY may continue, and if it continues, then there will be further pressure on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. Here is our beloved Euro USD. As we all know that Euro USD is under extreme pressure. Okay, extreme pressure. And if I take you to the higher time frame, then we can see that Euro USD is standing at the last support here. Okay, you can see that this is the last support of Euro USD. 1.0350 is a very critical support for Euro USD. If you have an ongoing buy position, or if you have already taken a buy position around this level, then be on the trade. You don't need to exit because this level is extremely critical. But in case market fails to hold the support, and if you see Euro USD breaking the support and going down, then there may be a waterfall, free fall on the chart of euro dollar, because we can see that below this level, okay, watch the chart carefully, below this level there is no significant support to hold the market. There will be a bloodbath on the chart of Euro USD if market fails to hold the level and if it breaks it. Okay, so be on the trade, hold your buy position as long as market is trading above 1.0350, but in case market breaks it, you can exit, or you should exit. And rather you can also take a sell position if the selling pressure is high enough below this level, below 1.0350, you can take a sell position as well. Okay, but my dear friends, keep in mind that overall the whole scenario, the global market is extremely critical, in a critical position right now. Okay, so as a result, please focus on protecting your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, because whenever the time will be right again, you should be having your capital with you. So let's look at the trading opportunities on the chart of euro dollar. Again, I'll say that if you already have a buy position, or if you have already taken a buy position around this level, then be on the trade as long as market is respecting the support. But apart from this support level, to be honest, I do not have, or I will not consider any buy position for you, considering the overall chart, considering the overall market here. And the next trading opportunity can be around taking a sell position in the 50 moving average. In the 4-hour chart time frame, you can see that the 50 moving average is working nicely as a dynamic support and resistance. You can see that here it acted as a resistance, again here resistance, support, resistance. Moreover, 50 moving average is providing the required support and resistance to the chart of euro dollar from time to time. So if market goes up, then there's a good chance, good possibility that the 50 moving average will be acting as the resistance. If you see market rejecting the price from above, if you see price rejection from above, if you see that market is struggling to go higher around the 50 moving average, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, truly and absolutely the 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic resistance and you can take a sell position. As it is a dynamic resistance, so I cannot give you the exact number here, okay, but it can be around 1.0500, and then we have this level 1.0600, 1.0600. This level can also be the next resistance or big resistance for the market. Okay, we also have these levels, but to be honest, considering the present chart here, I will suggest you to take a trade on the bigger levels. Okay, so if you really want some safe trading levels, if you are really looking for some safe trading options, then it is better to take a trade, take a sell position if market reverses from the 50 moving average, or if market reverses from this particular level of 1.0600 or 1.0620. Okay, and here you can also see that we also have the trend line acting as a dynamic resistance. So there is a high chance that around this level market will struggle, euro dollar will struggle, and we may get some opportunity to take a sell position. But my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. Please use the positions as calculator, because protect your hard-earned money, because things are very tough right now. See, I have been repeating the same thing again and again, because see, if we look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashajarka.com. If you look at the forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that the 29%, only 29% retail traders have taken sell position, and still 70%, the majority of the retail traders are on the buy side. And shockingly, the average buy position is 1.0806. See, it means that most of the retail traders have taken buy position around this level, the fat green line, okay. So retail traders have taken buy position in this level, and right now you can see that the market is trading here. This is the main reason why I always say that you should be focusing on protecting your hard-earned money, and mostly you should follow risk management. See, your analysis may go wrong, but that doesn't mean that you should be washing out your whole capital. Okay, you should be gambling with your money. Okay, analysis may go wrong, but exiting at the right time is extremely important. Okay, please do not make the mistake and try to trade on the levels that I have mentioned. Okay, with proper risk management. Hopefully you got the point. Bye bye. Take care.